Hi teachers and staff. Setting up alerts for registrations, enrollments, and schedule changes ensures that everyone stays informed and up to date. Let's quickly walk through how to configure these alerts. It's simple. In the navigation menu, click General Settings. In the Platform tab, click on Communication. The rows display notifications for course, schedule, and registration-related events, while the columns show how alerts will be sent via SMS, email, or notification. You can collapse or expand each event to keep the view organized and less overwhelming. For each event, you can configure notifications via email, push, or SMS. Simply click on the template option for the event you want to edit. For example, if you want to customize the email alert for course enrollment, click on the template icon. You can use the formatting tools. You can also use dynamic fields to personalize the message automatically. Let's say I want to add our school website link at the very top of this email. There we have it. If you want to revert to the default template, simply click the revert icon at the top and it will restore the previously saved version. Once you're happy with the changes, hit save. Next, let's configure SMS alerts. Click on the SMS option and edit the message. Use dynamic fields to personalize it, but remember, SMS messages have a character limit, so make every word count. Finally, for push notifications, follow the same process. Write a brief notification and use dynamic fields. Save it, and it's ready to go. These alerts can be enabled for specific roles, teachers, admins, parents, or students by toggling the appropriate options in the table. For example, if you want everyone to receive email and SMS alerts for enrollment, you can enable both. However, if you decide parents shouldn't receive SMS alerts, you can simply untick the check mark. And that's it! By configuring these alerts, you'll keep everyone in the loop. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.